Hello. Today I'll be presenting about the dangers of artificial intelligence. Recently, Elon Musk and other key figures have pushed to slow down or suspend the development of AI beyond the ChatGPT, especially the closed source kind. Although this move can be viewed as an attempt by the company to buy more time amid being behind other corporations developing this technology, there are some things we should be concerned about. Specifically, just not long ago, the biggest fear against AI was the machines will gain sentience and take over the world, and by killing humans like in Terminator franchise. Although this might happen, it is unlikely that we'll develop such technologies in the near future and allow AI to control sophisticated battle machines. It is not completely out of the question, however, the chances are pretty small for at least 2 decades. But as of today, a small drone can be created for tracking and assassinating, and the human controlled drones are already being used in warfare today. The bigger threat of AI is in possible crisis actually economical. AI is becoming better and better at doing some human tasks, which mean that not only AI is significantly cheaper, almost to the point of being free in the long run, needing only electricity and amortization fee for the equipment, but it's superior to humans in carrying out its tasks. In the past, technological revolutions eliminated a big chunk of workers. Such examples can be seen in spinning jenny, which could sew 8 times more and up to 120 times as it advanced. When machines capable of assembling cars and other complicated devices were introduced, another wave of mass firing was seen. Well, you can ask, since we survived those times, why is AI such a big deal? Well, for one, it takes time for machines and technology to spread and to be implemented in factories. They require engineers, metal, parts, and very expensive to build. Rule of thumb is that in countries where minimum wage or expected minimum pay was very low, such as Egypt or African countries, it is in fact cheaper to keep human workers. But in countries with high wage, for example, Norway, Sweden, and European countries, companies will profit more in the long run by buying sophisticated assembly machinery and save in the future. Therefore, a balance is sort of maintained. This model does not apply to AI, which doesn't need high investment to begin to operate, as it can run just on a fairly affordable machine, which needs only electricity and internet. AI is already a problem with students cheating using ChatGPT, against which the new tools were developed, such as Turnitin, which is rumored to be easily countered by another software or by simple changing the prompt. It is a never-ending game who has the best offer or knowledge at this point. Some sources estimate that AI can take over more than 46% of jobs, meaning that every second person will become unemployed. And unless our countries suddenly change to socialist utopias, paying laid off workers and unemployed, we will have an unprecedented crisis. A crisis so huge that even the Great Depression, which had every fourth person unemployed, will seem as barely a nuisance. This said, despite AI being a direct threat to our well-being, it cannot be gone unnoticed how it can be used in creative work, such as movies or game design. It took 12 years for the latest Avatar, with the combined work of 21 companies specializing in CGI, to be created. 21, all focused on just one movie. It took 7 years for the creation of Cyberpunk. This could be significantly reduced if AI was implemented for generating the city models and textures by itself. All in all, AI is a great tool, but in current political state, it is likely to bring more destruction and harm into our economical system. Thank you for listening and have a good day.